want to do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Any part of the world you are right now, we just want to say, attack, big up on yourself. So right now, my people, information has reached to the attacking boss that a high school youth has been missing in Jamaica. And this thing posted and said, he was last seen in the South Camp Road area. Anyone have any information, call. The number is right there, or the nearest police station, my people. Well, no name for this young man is there, my people, or anything like that. But the moral of the story is that a video went viral out there, where basically you can see this same young man that is missing right now, my people, I beat up an ex-youth, school youth. You understand? I box him up and you know what I mean? Other kids was there, gearing up, cheering up, watch him, put on box on him like I'm daddy. You know what I mean, my people? End of the story is that them said this same young man who he was beating up. You understand? So this happened last Friday now, my people. Tell him, say, look here, my daddy is a done. And them say, you got dead. Zine, that was the talk, you know, my people, from the local youth. And I have the video. So anybody who want to see the video, follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK Production Official, where you can see this young man, I get some serious box and slap in the face. Basically, them say it is alleged that this same one who is missing was the one who put in on the box, and this is the one. Zine, and you can see my bigger youth for the local one. But as me tell my people, the talk is, my daddy, my father is a done. You understand? And you are got dead. He's now missing. My people, moral of the story is, not trouble people. You understand? See people and leave them alone. I'm not going to say it right. No, you know. Although them say missing for him missing, or if not happened to him, whatever. You know what I mean? Because there's the law who can deal with things. But people, no make people push you in a life to do things. If I other jeer him up and cheer him up, make him do something like this to the local youth, look here, bullying don't work in school. Bullying no work. You see me? And a lot of times, people, we have seen a lot of video go viral where other kids, you know what I mean, do things to other people, beat them up, take with them, book, take with them, back, do this, do that, my people. We have seen it. Some pitney out there, them have some parents who no play. We are talking about Jamaica. There are some parents who is totally different. Them not think about no law. Them not think about nothing like that. Them love them pitney to the max where them will do anything. So my viewers and subscribers, as me tell you, them say he's now missing. Zane, missing. All I can say, man, for other youth out there who go to school and who don't want to be bullied against other school youth or school girl or what, you need to stop it. When you go to school for your purpose, to learn, get some good education, and try to make a career path in life. When you go there to fight in a badness and beat up people picking it. When you don't go there for that. See? As me can say people, I wish nothing bad for your youth. I wish them fine you. And you're good and you're alright. You understand me? I wish everything okay with you. And hope you can learn from whatever you do. And stop beat and people picking it. You see me? So I wish no harm for you. But people, basically, he might reap what him sow right now. Based on what this article say. My people, big up on yourself. And thank you all for the love and for the support and for the like, the share and every comments. You don't know, say, a one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. And please follow me on all social media platforms, people. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you understand, X, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Be good, be great, and be safe, my people. What good? Youths and youths, remember what I say. No trouble, people picking it. See people picking and left them alone. My people, be great. Peace out. I'm out.